Folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you, and we are at the beginning, the start of fixing the hole in the side of this boat so we can get her back in the water. What boat, you ask? It's a 1960 27-foot Chris Craft Constellation twin screw with two K-block 95 horse flathead Hercules engines. My cousin Ed over here is helping me get this thing apart, assess the damage, and move forward. So let's see how bad it really is. The first thing we had to do was to raise the boat up and off the trailer, and we got the front end blocked, jacked up and blocked, and the back end we've got blocked off of the back tires. So it is giving us a gap down here, as you can see, with which to work. So other than the chine right here, which is a sideboard that was severely rotted and we've been bending into form all winter, what else is the issue here, Ed?
Well, what you got are the support braces here that go down to the center of the boat, and there's about 4 of them that need reinforcement, and they will push the floor back down because the rail pushed the floor up. So they'll push the floor back down, and then we'll put new wood and reinforce everything. And with the boat raised now, we can get it to sort of form itself back to the original shape.
And look at this bad spot up under here. It was about time this one got fixed, huh?
100%, 100%.
So what's the process going to be?
Well, basically, we got to put the support beams in first, and then form the floor around the support beams, and then we will seal everything and put the new wood in, and should have a ship-shaped boat.
Look at this, folks. Take a look inside here. See, bunch of rot. We got her taken back, part back to there. Well, there you have it, folks. You saw the video where I patched that to get through a summer. When we took it apart, look at what we found under here. Well, that's the problem with an old Chris Craft boat. It's a hole in the water you pour money into. Turbine Guy, signing off.